Hi everybody, welcome back. We are doing a planner video. This is the year planner. We're almost out of this one for this year, and we are going back into this one for January. Remember, this is my year planner. We're using this one up. And we will have a different one come next June, July time frame, next school season. So we're almost getting back into this, and we are going to get ready for that. I'm gonna grab my bucket right here. This is where I'm putting all the old ones in. So let's do that first. So we are getting out of October's stuff to, yeah, so we'll take this out. We'll take our leaf out because we are not going to use that again. We'll wait until next year. So this is going to go in here. And when we finish December's, we'll put December in here. And I will, well, because we'll keep continuing to use this, but this is school year. So this, by school year, not by year. So this is 2021, 2022 school year, and then after June, what does this end with? July actually, I will take all of these out of here and bundle them up and put them somewhere else. So for now, we've taken all that out. So this is ready for January, which has got an ice cream, and I can decorate this. It has an ice cream thing here. And this is January's monthly right here. And I don't know if I'll decorate it. I don't know if I'll go back to decorating like the pages. I did it for November and December because it was the holidays. I think I did I don't think I did October, did I? Yes, I did. I did October. I don't know. I gotta go look through my January stuff. I know February would be red, the reds. So yeah, I gotta change all the numbers up here because they're not correct. So that will be the next video. I'll do a video with that, so you can see that, and I'll put these in my planner cart that's behind me here. So recap for December 19th through the 25th. Okay, as of today, today is the 23rd. So it's not Christmas yet. So there's really nothing going on other than me doing laundry and that kind of stuff. Actually, Ariel's helping her dad today. She went to her friend's house. She got out early on Tuesday. She went to her friend's house. She came home yesterday. So, because we're supposed to be getting storms one after another, so I don't know if she'll be able to go back and play with her friend next week. We may be going sledding if there's enough snow. I'll take her sledding. We got to go grocery shopping, hopefully. And yeah, there's Daisy. This is my cat, Daisy. I'm not filming in the other room. She knows she's not supposed to be on my desk, but she can visit for a minute. You can visit for a minute. Okay. So she had Spirit Day. She did, actually Monday, she went with her dad, so Daddy-Daughter Day. And she went out to lunch with him, went Christmas shopping. And then tomorrow, the elf leaves with the reindeer. So that's pretty much it. And then Christmas. I'll do, I've got my video recorder ready. It's not going to be my iPad unless my video recorder bugs out on me. And then I'll have to use this, but I've got a video recorder. And so I will video Christmas over there on that. I do that every year, and I save it to my an external hard drive, so when she gets older she can go back and look at it. So that's it for that week, this week. Now this week coming up is the 26th through New Year's Eve. So we usually do a puzzle and we stay up New Year's Eve. So that's the plan. I have a puzzle that we can do. So I have that. What you doing? Huh? What are you doing? She's so silly. She has to be where I'm at. So these ones I just picked. It's like the end of Christmas, you know, December, so they just red and green. So I don't believe we have anything else happening December-wise. Let's see. December, November, December. Just my friend's birthday. Oh, my son's girlfriend, they're not married yet, is the 31st. I didn't know her birthday was on New Year's Eve, but she's got her birthday. Unless I got it wrong. You can't sit there, Toots. So let's glue these on. And I pretty much put them in the same spot all the time. And they're just leftover papers. Oh, when did I use these papers? A long time ago. Probably 4 or 5 years ago I had these papers. And yeah, so you haven't seen videos this last week, because I'm out. I am out. We did all the crafty stuff. I got those all done. I'm trying to think of some other things that I can do. Like I've got a nail video coming up because these Christmas ones are coming off. And I'll do, because my husband's like, when you're putting your white tips back on. And he's so funny, he calls them white tips. It's French tip, the white tips, you know. And that's what I use all year up until, like, on February, I might have one special red one, you know, just one on one finger. And then July's the same thing. You can't have those. And she has a thing for, you can't have those, baby, okay? She has a thing for ribbons. And when I cleaned her kitty box the other day, I found purple ribbon instead of poop. So she's pooping out the ribbons. So anyways, so I'm trying to think of, like twice a month we'll have, every week we'll have these videos. If I stay up on it, I'll have these videos. Then I'll have the twice a month I'll have the budgeting ones. So there's maybe 1 to 3 videos right there. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do otherwise, because my other channel I post every day. I try to do every day, and I try to think of like something interesting for you guys. Like this is a mix of life stuff, you know. And so I'm trying to think of things for that. I have to send off and get my pictures for Christmas pictures for the December daily, so I can't do that. I can start working on the old ones though. I can start doing that once a week, so there'll be like they'll end up being 2 to 3 videos every week. I'm gonna try, and then it gets busy come July. I'll do Christmas in July, and then we have the next time is the October daily stuff, and then it gets busy for Christmas, you know, December daily stuff. So the end of the year is busier for me in this channel than the beginning of the year. So I just want you to know that if you don't see videos, that's why. I'm gonna try to put out more. I just don't want to put up a video just for it to be stupid, you know what I mean? So anyway, chatty video. This is chatty with the week that we're doing. So I don't know what's going on. She's still on break. She doesn't go back until January 3rd. She goes back January 3rd. So, we're just, after Christmas, we're going to end up, you know, just cleaning up and putting stuff away. She doesn't want me to take the tree down, but I am, if you watched my home tour, I've got Christmas everywhere. And it's going to take me a while to take that down. And I don't know if I want to video that. That's kind of, you know, it's just taking it down. And it'll be empty in here. It'll look like that we're moving because it'll be so echoey and there's nothing up. So there'll probably be some craft videos and such. So yeah, in the new year, I've got to fix up my sewing area over there. So maybe I'll do something with that. So anyway, so this week we just got Christmas Eve, really. There's not really much, you know, during this week, I'm going to be taking Christmas down. I'll probably keep our living room tree up. I don't know. I'll probably undecorate it and just leave the lights up and stuff. But I don't know. She's so lovely right now. She's so lovely right now. This is Daisy. We have an outside kitty and an inside kitty. She's my inside kitty. Sophia is my outside kitty. This is what she does when I'm over in the nursery with the babies over there, is she does the same thing. She gets up on my changing table where I film, and I can't do anything because she's up there. She's going to do the same thing over here, but she's not supposed to be up here, so she's getting a treat right now. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It's like that. There's nothing written on it, but this is the week of putting Christmas away for another year. And it's kind of depressing because I really like Christmas time. So I gotta figure out videos that I can do on this channel. It'll help out a lot if you put down below. I'll try to do I'll do a nail video like every month. And I've got the budget ones. There's at least 1 or 2 of those if I combine them. And then there's the yearly planner. That's at least 1 video a week. So I'm trying to at least get 2 videos out a week. So we'll see. And so the extra one, there may be more. But as far as right now, I'm going to try to do 1 a week. What, baby? What? And I got to go into my analytics and find out which day is best for everybody to view. And that'll be the day that I upload, which I don't know yet. So this is done for now. So the next video I'll do is setting up January. And that'll be a bonus one. So that'll be an extra one. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Little chatty, just to let you know what's going on. Happy New Year for you and your families. And I hope everybody's healthy and happy and not going through anything traumatic, I hope. My prayers are with you if you are. So sorry. And yeah, so I'll be trying to figure out what we're going to do next. Probably more crafty kind of stuff, which is mostly what I do on here is crafty kind of stuff. And I throw in some beauty and planner stuff. So, yeah, we will see you in the next video. Bye now.